Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to show you how to make a stylish recreation with just a simple placemat. My first recreation is from Cherry at Canterbury Cottage. She is very amazing lady. She is very talented. She made a basket planter and a small glass jar planter using a placemat. Don't forget to check out her channel's link in my description box below to get a bunch of inspiration. The first DIY, we are going to be doing a fun DIY project where we'll be using these two old cans. Use them and cover them with the same placemat that Cherry used to create a storage solution. First, we are removing all the pieces that cover these two cans. Take the placemat and measure the height of your can, then cut the placemat to the correct height using scissors. Take this piece of placemat and start wrapping it around the can with hot glue to secure it in place until the entire can is covered. Then making a braid with this pink macrame rope to add some design to these cans. So I have these three strips of this macrame rope, making a braid. Voila! And then secure the two ends with hot glue. Before to add this braid into this design or into this can, we are hot gluing this pom-pom ribbon on top of this can, and then the braid rope in the bottom. Now we are making another small braid to make kind of flower in the center of this can. Just twirl it all around to make this circle. Give some design to this can. Now we are hot gluing these 4 big wooden beads to the bottom of the cans to let them stand. It's a simple creative way to create a storage solution to my kitchen using this placemat. What do you think, guys, about this DIY? Let me know in your comment below. Before to go to the second DIY, let's see which collaboration we are part today. Today's video is part of Recreation Inspiration Challenge. The host of this challenge is Amanda from 6 Kids and Glue Gun and Charlie from Crafty Art Check. And the co-host for this month is Grace's neighbor Sharon. They are very talented crafty ladies. Give them some support by clicking on their channels linked in my description box below, and I will hope that you will go and check out the playlist at the end of this video. It will also link it in my description box below. My second recreation I get inspired from my friend Kristen at DIY Catholic. Don't forget to check out her channel and subscribe. You will love her creations. You can check out her channel in my description box below. She made this beautiful wall decor with embroidery hoop and a piece of burlap with this home sign and some flowers. Let's see how I recreate this wall decor. We recreate this project and we are using the same placemat. We lay down the placemat, then one piece of this embroidery hoop to cut out the round shape. We hot glue first the hoop, then we trim it off the excess. It's easier way. And to make a pocket, we trace out the size of the pocket. Next, we cut out the shape of this pocket. Then we hot glue in all around this half circle this rope that we got from Dollar Tree to make some dimension to this pocket, and we can put some more flowers inside or more greenery. Okay, we hot glue it again on this embroidery hoop, adding this ribbon that we got on Dollar Tree on the bottom and the center or on top of this pocket. Voila! I have this metallic marker. We want to add some colors to this home sign that we got on Dollar Tree. With this metallic gold marker, add shadow to this sign, and we cover the entire sign or inside with this metallic silver marker. To give a nice look, we add these dots with white paint using this Sharpie stick. Dot, make it cute. A bow, making a bow with this ribbon on the top of this embroidery hoop. We are hot gluing this bow on the top and this home sign on the bottom. And also to cover the bottom of this embroidery hoop, we are adding this ribbon all around this pocket. Now we are ready to add our greenery that we got from Dollar Tree. Add some greenery or flowers. You can also switch out the flowers as needed to refresh the look for spring, for summer, any season. We are adding some beads to this twine to hang this wall decor. What else? This sticker that we got from Dollar Tree, add it in the bottom. Make it cute. Voila! And there you have it, a simple and fun DIY project that will transform a plain placemat into something beautiful. What do you think, guys? Let me know in your comment below. What do you think about this project? And let's jump to the third DIY. For the third DIY, we decided to use the scrap of the placemat that we had cut off and hot glue it to this window frame that we got from Dollar Tree. We are creating DIY wall decor using this window frame. This piece of placemat fit the size of the window. We are adding a tumbling block on each side of this window and 3 blocks on the bottom to make a pocket and fill it with some flowers. Like this. We are adding some wood glue and hot glue around this piece of placemat to add it on top of these blocks. Make a pocket and fill it with some flowers. Like that. And ribbon, this ribbon, one on top on the bottom to decorate this pocket. And these black sticks that I got from this placemat to cover all the blocks, the left side and the right and the bottom. Voila. And what else? And let's see the final look of this wall decor. This is beautiful wall decor piece that adds a touch and a pop of colors to any room. What do you think, guys, about this piece? And what do you think about the video? Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing DIY idea. See you soon in the next video. A bientôt. Bye.